Hello, welcome to the Dulaw. In this tutorial, we are going to see the overview of IP projects. The IP projects are those projects which you as a lawyer, you can use when you are managing your IP works. We know most of the lawyer, this is one of the very good job which you are doing. So we allow you to manage everything, to allow you to manage the project itself, to manage the task, milestone, clients, payment, file, and everything. So it's very easy. Let's get started. To get started with the IP project is very easy. First of all, just go to the project, and this is the IP project. So when you open a IP project, this interface comes. With this interface, you can see here, you can add a new project. Here, you can export these projects. So what it does, based on the filter here, it exports everything which you have. And you can see the exported file, which will be exported file, which will be in this form. So this exported file, it contains everything, all the details, which you can use to update or to make it as a reference. Okay. So another thing, these are filters, which you can see here. You can filter based on IP type, partners, milestone, or the lawyer who is responsible for those projects. Remember, the partner here are not the internal partner. For example, we are company ABC. We are registering the trademark in Ghana. But in Ghana there, we don't have office. So what we can do, we can have a partner here, there in Ghana, who can help us to register on our behalf. But you need a lot of things to manage it from this partner. We've talked about the partner when we were discussing about the user. So you can learn what partner from there. So after that, you can see what is the summary. The summary page, it contains to see based on the statuses. So the statuses will be loading here automatically. And here you can see the project. When you mouse over, you will see you can view, you can copy, you can edit, and you can delete. What the meaning is, the copy, for example, I want to make another project like this, which share the same details. So I can just come there and I can copy. So now I've created the view project. This is how it looks. And how it looks, the project, you can see the overview of the project, which give here the summary, what the project name, and all the details. And here you can see those lawyers. If there's more than one lawyer in that project, you'll be able to see them here. And here you can see the project milestone. For example, we know those projects. Let me show you the project milestone. Project milestone are the normal milestone which used when you register a trademark. Where support workload milestone. These are the milestone which you have. So you can have a lot of milestone based on what you need, but these are the default one: application, publication, search, examination, registration, and renewal. Because when the trademark already registered, you'll be given the time based on the country, and those details can be found on the trademark countries. When you come here to the countries, for example, I came here and filter Tanzania. You see, when I filter Tanzania, I'll be able to see for the Tanzania how long that trademark, when I register trademark, how long it become active. You can see the trademark period years. So this is the year. After this time, the trademark will come back automatically. The trademark will start the renewal process. But you can enable or disable the renewal process from the trademark page. We'll see that on the coming videos. So these are the milestones. And the milestone, you cannot assign a new milestone until the current milestone is completed. So the aim of this and how the milestone completed, the milestone are completed based on the task. So when you're adding a task, if that is the final task for this milestone, you'll be assigned to say the task has been completed and the milestone will be completed. So that will make you sure to make the project very dynamic and easy for you to manage. And here you can manage the task and you can update the task status here. You can see the start date, the end date, and all of those details based on the setting. This is your file. You can manage the file here. This is expenses. You can manage expenses and you can add a new expenses if you want here. And this is invoice and you can create invoice for this project. But also you can come here in invoice panel. We come to learn when you come to talking about the finance part. But you can also create the invoice from this page. And this is the notes. If you want to add a new notes, for example, in this trademark, the transmit project, there is something you want to make a note so that other lawyer or there is other staff when they come to this project will be able to see what is happening. Then you can use this part here. And the final one is the log. What the log does, as we saw in the litigation matter, what it does is it gives you what is happening. So if one day a lawyer said that it was not the me who updated that, then you'll be able to come here and see, yeah, this in this date, even up to the second, what you have done to that project. So that is the overview for the IP project. So on the next, we'll come and see how we can add a new IP project. I hope this video is informative and thank you